Hey guys and gals, just a quickie here as I had a duh moment and expected the Chinese to be accurate in what they were doing, and so I had a big duh there. Had to just have the car painted, and it's a 2012 Mustang GT. I was going to reinstall the squirters, which actually go in the hood, and found out they weren't really accurate. Now this is an Amerihood. It's like a 67 Shelby mid scoop, but probably any 2012 or S197, whoever has the squirters inside the hood. Smart thing to do, so you don't have to do what I did, is you can go ahead and fit these. Now what I had to do is I took the old hood and I just made a small template out of the holes in the hood for the squirters, and then I basically just laid it on and scribed it out. So I'm going to have to open them up so the squirters will fit. Now also on this hood, here's the other one, they don't put a place for the hose to go through, so you're going to have to drill that too, so make sure you're sure you can do that. And other than that, like I said, just want to check stuff first, which I didn't do. So hope this helps somebody else out, so they don't have to start pulling stuff off that they shouldn't have to. So there we go.